Ever wonder what's cuter than a superhero landing? How about a superhero surrounded by adorable puppies? If you're a fan of either get ready for a delightful surprise before the highly anticipated release of Supergirl this summer, James Gunn delivered a special treat for fans. Uh, it's a charming Puppy Bowl promo featuring Millie Alcock, the star who will embody the iconic character. Uh, Gunn shared the clip on social media, highlighting a wonderful collaboration. It connects DC with Guide Dogs of America, adding a heartwarming element to the superhero buzz. Uh, the short video features Alcock announcing the partnership. Uh, Warner Brothers and Animal Planet are joining forces for an event that promises to be both fun and meaningful. This isn't just about cute faces, though. It builds on last year's Superman campaign. Um, a litter of lab puppies, Clark, Kara, Lois, Crypto, and Lobo are representing a real world cause. These pups are undergoing training to become assistance dogs. They'll support individuals with visual impairments, veterans, and children with autism. It's a partnership that truly makes a difference. Mark your calendars for June 26, 2026, when Supergirl, directed by Craig Gillespie, hits theaters alongside Millie Alcock. The film stars Matthias Schoenaerts and Jason Momoa. The story follows Kara Zor-El as she reluctantly teams up with an unlikely ally. Together, they embark on an interstellar journey seeking vengeance and justice against a ruthless enemy. So get ready for a summer filled with superhero action and puppy love, right? Yeah. Um, and it's a combination that's guaranteed to warm your heart. Um, people, why did the superhero bring a ladder to the puppy bowl? Because he heard the stakes were rough. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,